What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Alejandro's Engineered Lifestyle. If you're new here, my name is Alejandro. I'm a mechanical engineer working in the aerospace industry. And today on the channel, we're going to be talking about the BPA chain slack adjustment tool. My introduction to this tool arose after a very arduous chain slack adjustment process here on the KTM 890 Duke R. It's a 2020 model year. Not that that really makes a difference. It's a pain no matter what model year you have. But I've detailed the process for you if you're looking to adjust your slack on a previous video. So go check that out. So first things first, I had been noticing a lot of quick shift issues that I kind of isolated to surrounding my chain slack. And so after experimentation and after dialing in a looser chain slack, actually, I was able to really remove all of the gremlins from the quick shift system that I was experiencing, mainly really clunky upshifts with failures to engage, and then some harsh downshifts with a very noticeable jolt. Even at correct RPMs, not under throttle, that kind of thing. So this tool here is my solution to maintaining the proper slack now that I've found my desired setting. So that's actually very critical to using this tool. You know, garbage in equals garbage out, no matter what. So you're definitely going to want to dial in the proper chain slack for you, regardless of what motorcycle you're riding. And here I was trying to film my first installation of this tool on the chain with one hand here, and obviously not quite strong enough for that, but kind of speaks to how robust this tool is, and I'm, again, pretty impressed with that. So in order to calibrate this tool, you're going to first loosen your adjustment indicator there, and then take the supplied wrench and align it with the hash mark. This is assuming that the chain tension is perfect. Guys, make sure, and I'm talking, make sure the chain is healthy, that there are no weak spots along it, because that will also provide a chance for misuse of this tool. And you really want to make sure that you are calibrating with a healthy chain and a well-adjusted chain. So tightening down on the hash mark was best done with the wrench on it. As you can see, I just made a rookie mistake. There you go. So definitely don't be like me. Us engineers, you know, sometimes we have a hard time with actual tools. But that aside, this can be done super easily after a ride, and really throughout your season, as you should. And this, instead of going about the painful process of finding that proper measurement point, pushing the chain up, and ultimately kind of breaking your neck on the floor. But instead, the process can be simplified with just slapping the tool on, getting clear indication of if your chain is too loose there on the left side or too tight on the right side of your calibrated mark there. Hopefully you're dead center and you can rip on. Definitely check multiple points along your chain. This will also inform of your chain's overall health. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a like if you find this helpful, and have a great day.